Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, they're actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And after today's crazy movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So I did this one on Wednesday. Remember, the markets were closed on Thursday for July 4th. So today was the first day it was back open. It was halted for news, and it opened up with the gap. Problem is that the gap just could not sustain itself, and the price did pull back. Now, it's not like the entire chart crashed or anything like that. However, I also realized, there is quite a bit of perspective that goes into this, meaning if you were a day trader, let's say, and you bought right there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, the chart's looking pretty rough right now. But if you care about the bigger picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was a big pullback, but the overall price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view, so if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective going into this. So the big thing here, and what I want to mainly focus on, is first some house cleaning. I'm just going to get rid of these lines right here, just because from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's just focus on the main thing. What I'm also going to do is adjust this level down here a little bit to that level at $7.50. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but let's just say it does, because it'll help illustrate just how strong the overall uptrend still currently is. So let's say the price actually pulled back all the way here. Again, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaved like that and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have from a big picture perspective? Emphasis on big picture. Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, from the big picture perspective, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $7.50. Again, I get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought up there, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting, from a bigger picture perspective. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.